question is just a thank you very much for not letting Big Bird be a goofy bird, because he really helped me. I was the right age when Sesame Street started, for the right, going through the right situations that really helped. And Big Bird in particular, I know you didn't like run the whole thing yourself. You know, it's just a wonderful thing. But Big Bird himself was great for tall children who were treated older than they were.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, we're just now really learning that, you know, ask the age, then talk to them the age they are, and not talk down to them. And Sesame Street never talked down to us. And that just helped me all through growing up and figuring that out, that I now can teach children, and I teach them through puppets quite often. So thank you very much.
I often felt a little guilty. I never took the right courses to become a teacher.
Well, I didn't either.
I've been called the biggest feathered teacher in America. So I really thank you for what you said.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Let's give it